Mr. Burns. Ooh, we got goodies for the... Ooh, we got carbonator. We got all kinds of goodies for the
Yeah, we got a
the
nice
Fairlane today. Yeah.
Some shocks, some bearings, some seals, distributor cap, some wires, rotor, couple other things. U-joints.
Look at Scotty over there, all pretty.
I don't know.
And I'll step out.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
They're not coming today. They're coming tomorrow.
Who is it?
That's cute.
The 2 cars.
Oh.
That's lovely. That's lovely.
Was that a misunderstanding?
Yeah, not on my behalf.
No,
Of course.
of course
All right.
not.
All right, so yeah, we got some Fairlane
A lot of
parts.
stuff. We got some stuff. I think all we're missing is spark plugs and a sway bar end link kit.
Yeah, I'm gonna go double check. Cause some reason I thought I saw spark plugs, but we got so many cars.
And the sway bar end link kit should have came with a zone, and everything else from the zone came the 7th.
7. Okay.
So double check.
I'll double check in some boxes.
Yeah, go dig around a
And
little.
we'll go from there.
Nice.
Later.